So, Deli wants me to post. We're waiting. I can't screen record anymore, so let's see.
Cristina and Karina are skinny legends. Cristina and Karina are skinny legends.
Hello guys, welcome back to my amazing channel that I never post on. Just kidding. I posted a video last week, so you guys should check that out. I want to throw a little disclaimer out there before we start this video. You guys see this little friend right here? Yeah, okay, that's like a humongous pimple volcano on my face, so we're just gonna disregard that friend that we have. But yeah, let's get started with the video. Today's video is very exciting for me. I mean, every video is exciting for me, but this one's even more because I haven't done a makeup video in a while, like on me. So I'm back, and I hope to be back, and I hope to make these weekly scheduled posts. So yeah, so you guys already know every Monday I post a video. I used to do it at 1 p.m. but you know, yeah, maybe it'll be 1, maybe it'll be 12, maybe it'll be 8 in the morning. I don't know, it depends on my day and how I'm feeling. So yeah, let's just get started with this video. So for primer, I have been using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer that I freaking love. I love any e.l.f. primers. I said this in my last video, I think. But honestly, like, they're so cheap. And like, bro, they're like, they compare to like some high-end like stuff. Like, come on. Who wants to like spend $80 on a primer when you can get a $6 primer, right? So we're just gonna put this on our face. Oh, I know that song. Y unos hombres vestidos de blanco le dieron So for foundation today, guess what? It's the same freaking foundation I've been using for the past half year or so. I don't know, but yeah, this is way too dark for me. Apparently all of a sudden I got dark, or maybe I just noticed it now. But don't worry guys, I'm almost finished with it. I'm just choosing the last little bits of it because, you know, normal people are broke and we can't be buying like 5 different foundations at a time, so you have to go like
So you only have one foundation?
So I only have one foundation until the other one finishes, okay? So, and I'm also gonna blend it in with my little nasty ass Real Techniques beauty, no, not sponge. Beauty blender, makeup sponge. Okay guys, so let's just blend it all in. Now I can put some music.
When I was in the 3rd grade, I thought that I was gay because I could draw.
So for concealer, I've been loving, like, I don't know if you guys seen my last video. You guys should go watch it. Self promo. But I've been loving this Femme Couture Rose All Day concealer infused with rose water. It has like a super long name, but it's so freaking good. Like, I love it. The one is so huge too. Like, not trying to be like dirty minded or anything, because I know there's a lot of people out there that are, but look at this. That's a huge fucking wand. So good. And now that we look like a potato, we're gonna use my I'm gonna use my Airspun powder in Naturally Neutral, and this is super white, so I'm only gonna use that under the eyes to like brighten it a little bit, you know, and set it. And we're gonna use something else for the rest of the face. For the rest of the face, I'm going to be taking my CoverGirl Clean Matte Powder in Buff Beige. This is a little bit more like my shade. It's still white as hell, but not as white as the Airspun powder. And I just freaking love the little pad it comes with. I legit love this. I just go like this, and then I just press it all into the skin. It's not gonna look this way, okay? And to just like kind of like blend it all in together, I'm gonna take my Real Techniques powder brush that I freaking adore and just blend it all in. So now we are going to go in with bronzer, and for bronzer I'm going to use my Physicians Formula How to Bronze bronzer. This bronzer, I used to hate it, like honestly, but all of a sudden, bro, like I don't know, I feel like it was just like the first layer, like I couldn't get through it, and it's like I was like, where's the pigment? But you know, I got over it and I freaking adore it now. So yeah. For blush, you guys already know what's up. Like, what other blush do I fucking use? I honestly need to buy another blush, but this blush is just, it does the job. So this is my Jelly Pong Pong Cosmetics blush in the shade Aruba. Well, the duo is the shade Aruba. Not sure if like this particular blush has like a shade, but yeah, I'm just gonna apply that to the little apples of my cheeks. So we're gonna go into my BH Cosmetics palette for the eyes. I don't usually go into this anymore, like I just don't, but these have some freaking bright ass colors, and lately I've been obsessed with bright colors. Like I did a yellow eye look the other day, and I'm kind of feeling like another yellow pinkish eye look. So we're gonna see what we come up with. I'm gonna take this yellow right here first on this e.l.f. Professional Blending Eye Brush, and I just like this brush because it's like domed and small. So we're just gonna pack the freaking brush with product, and we're just gonna go into town. My camera cut off, but I feel like it looks so nice. So we're gonna just kind of like stamp it on, and then I'm gonna, you know, remove the excess so I can blend this shade to Jesus. So because I wanted to use yellow eyeshadow, I didn't know what to do after this step, so I went to look at yellow eye looks, and I came up with Nikkie Tutorials. She did recently a look, it's right there, and she did yellow like just how I did it. So I'm gonna just follow her because I said I wanted to do yellow and pink, and she did yellow and pink. So I'm going to try to recreate it. So this is gonna be a Nikkie Tutorial inspired look, and let's see how I do. I already see that her yellow was more of a mustard color, so that's already different. But I'm just gonna try to like kind of follow it, not really like, you know, copy her or anything. Well, it is copying, but I don't know what I'm saying anymore. So she, after the yellow, she took a hot pink, which I'm actually really scared to do, but we're just gonna do it because we're gonna follow her steps. So I'm gonna take this hot pink right here from the same palette. We're just gonna play with colors today to celebrate that I'm doing some makeup tutorials again, and I'm just gonna like drench my brush into that pink, and we are going to stamp it on the outer edge and then bring it up a little bit or something like that. I don't really know. Let's just try it out. See, Nikkie Tutorials is the queen of eyeshadow looks, and I'm not. So I'm trying to tap away as much as I possibly can. Okay, not working. You know what's so weird? Because I did not use like a single brown shade to like blend anything in. So yeah, trying my hardest to make it look decent. So I think that looks good. I'm gonna do the other eye real quick. Okay, so she then used this corally color that I don't think I have anywhere. But in my Dare to Create palette, this is a huge palette, okay? But this shade right here kind of looks like orangey. It's called Vivid, so I'm just gonna take that color right there. Hopefully it turns out good. I'm gonna use the same brush that we used the yellow for, because we're really not gonna need the yellow anymore. At least I don't think so. And we're just gonna pick that up and put it right in between the yellow and the pink. That's what she did. So like right here, and then kind of use that to like blend it in. I got way too much, okay? I don't need that much color. Something like that. Just make sure to really blend it in. I'm feeling like I'm gonna go back in a little bit with a little bit more pink and yellow. So since I feel like I lost some of that yellow and pink, I'm gonna go back in with the yellow first. Just a little bit, just to like further blend those two colors together, because you can never have enough blend. And a little bit of that pink color to further intensify and further blend. Okay, then she used, this is starting to sound like recreating, but I just wanted, I don't know, I saw the video and I wanted to, I guess, recreate it, but I'm not going to call it recreating. I'm just going to call it, I don't know, look inspired, I guess. Because I am inspired and I am going to give her credit, because, you know, this is not my idea. My idea was yellow, but it turned into this. So, yes. She took some concealer. I'm just going to use my Femme Couture concealer, and she just cut her crease. So, I'm going to do the same thing. And because I don't want that base to stay really sticky, I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild Color Icon in Creme Brulee that I use all the time with a fluffy brush. And I'm just going to set that real quick before it starts creasing. See, it's already creasing, so we don't want that. I think I used a way too fluffy brush. So now that we cut our crease, we're gonna get more pink and blend out the outer corners. Okay, that's a lot. You really need like the tiniest bit of pink for this step, because we're just blending out. We're not really packing any pigment. Something like that. So this is where it kind of changes. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly when it changes, but for right now I'm still following what Nikki did. So she took pink, so we're gonna take the same pink and we're gonna take this little brush right here, and we're just going to, how do I do this without like going into the sun? Let me close my blinds. We're going to just pack this pink under the eye. This is gonna take some time. So she kind of just like packed it and brought it pretty low. I'm not really comfortable with bringing it pretty low, so I'm not gonna take it that low. but practically it's like connecting this out here, which feels like it's not that pigmented, to like right here, and I have so much fallout, and just kind of like try and blend this out. And then we're going to take the orangey color that we used in the middle, the shade Vivid for me, and I'm gonna put that right in the middle. And while I'm doing this, I'm blending like the pink and the orange. And now this is where things change, because she left like a space for her like inner corner, and I'm not gonna do that. I don't know, I don't like that on me personally. So I'm gonna take the yellow like she did, but I'm not gonna leave the space. I'm just gonna connect it in all together. So now that we have this, I'm not gonna do she did glitter like liner, but I'm not gonna do that. So she did put on eyeliner, and I think this looks kind of blah, 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 tongue twister. I think this look does look weird without eyeliner. I don't know why I'm so like zoomed out. So I am going to take my Wet n Wild waterproof eyeliner, which I hate, but I haven't bought another one. Guess why? Because I'm broke. So I'm going to do this off camera because I don't know how to do eyeliner. Okay, so I did some wings. They're not like even close to similar, but they get the job done. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just curl my lashes, put some mascara on, and that's a whole other process, so I'm also gonna skip that because you guys have seen me do this like 500 million times. Okay, so now that we're done with the mascara, we're just gonna apply highlight real quick. So for highlight, I'm gonna use my same old highlighter that I always use, the Kylie highlight. I mean, this is my fave, and I'm almost done, so I don't know what I'm gonna do when I'm freaking finished with this, because it's blinding and it's just amazing. Of course, I haven't tried many highlights, but yeah. And the last step is lips, and why are you guys so close? I'm just gonna apply a regular clear lip gloss because that's me. And I'm gonna use this lip gloss from Dollar Tree. This is from LA Colors. I mean, they're $1 and they're a bomb. So yeah. So we're done, guys. This is the look inspired by Nikkie Tutorials, the queen herself. I freaking love it. I never what? She's also queen. What the fuck? So I freaking love this look. I never do colorful looks, but boy, am I. I'm looking like a colorful potato. Guys, you guys can go check out Nikkie's video on this. She does a way better job. I didn't do exactly like her because I didn't do the glitter and the but this is the look I did, and I love it. Hope you guys like it. I hope you guys like it, and I'm excited to do more makeup videos. I'm thinking the next video is gonna be a back to school makeup look because school is around the corner, sadly. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you guys want. You don't have to. I mean, it kind of helps me because I'm trying to, yeah.
That's not good to say.
So my battery's about to die in like 5 seconds, so I just wanted to come on here and say, yeah, that's it for this video. Oh my god, what is going on? I'll see you guys in my next video.